Teka zo kutandika kwa omugyera gwa Nyamwamba zahamibwe kamisha na kurwo Ministry y'Ebyamizi hamwe n'obuhangwa obwabiri navugana habebembezi ba district ya Kasese ha Rwenzori Hotel.
For example, if you don't protect what is coming from up, even if you protect further downstream, it will come and destroy what you have done.
Omugyera gwa Nyamwamba guru kutandikira mu rushozo rwa Rwenzori gashikamiza mu nyanja ya George gutwire n'uguboga kurwo mwaka gwa 2013.
So we'll be doing water harvesting, and once we harvest the water will go down in the soil. It will improve soil moisture. People's production will actually go up.
And as district leaders, we have been given the mandate that we must have the work done. And so we know where there is a problem.
Abebembezi n'abagira government ine koresa bakuguvamani kwenda ngo kubara heze kugweya gutakagaruka kaboga.
So I am not happy with WWF because they have presented information which we don't have contribution to.
So it's a holistic project, but this is not all. We'll also be rehabilitating some stretches of the river which have been destroyed by the flood water so that the water can move and doesn't flood.
Abebembezi n'abagira bagira ngo omugyera gwa Nyamwamba omukuboga kwagwe gutwire n'ugushisha bintu bingi hamwe n'amagara g'abantu gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.